Hello class, Giovanni Jacobs here. The issue paper I chose to focus on is recruiting and retaining the best volunteers for the mission. I was drawn to this topic for a couple of reasons. One, while working for a nonprofit, I've come in contact with more short-term volunteers than long-term volunteers. Most of our volunteers participate to earn education credit for community service hours or volunteer for special events like holiday toy drives, food giveaways, and school supply giveaways. The second reason I chose this topic is to use the research to develop a volunteer program for the organization I work for. Through research, I discovered several reasons the volunteer rate has declined. For example, people needing to earn money to sustain a living or the inflexible hours. However, for those reasons people do decide to volunteer, they're stuck fulfilling tasks that they're not interested in. Recruiting the right volunteer is very similar to hiring the right person for the right job. Or, as Jim Collins say in his book, Good to Great in the Social Sector, getting the right people on the bus. By promoting the mission and hosting virtual volunteer events, allow organizations to attract a network of volunteers who believe in a mission and who are committed to supporting the organization long term. Retaining volunteers take just as much effort as recruiting them. It is important to understand what makes volunteers feel appreciated and what most motivate them as well. Research states that volunteers get satisfaction in knowing that the work that they're doing makes an impact towards the mission and those that serve in the community. This research will act as a starting guide for building a volunteer program that helps the organization thrive while supporting the people in the community. Thank you so much for listening to my video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'm looking forward to hearing some of your ideas or even getting your feedback. Thank you so much.